Audio check 1 2. Audio check. Hello everybody, this is Dennis with Royal Trades Capital. Joining this live session, we had a few positions last week. We're just going to do an overview analysis on just 2-3 pairs. Having a barrier. I just came from a barrier, so we're just going to do 2-3 pairs. We're not going to do a lot today. We can go through GCAD. As you can see, GCAD structure is kind of changing, so this is a good sign. Let's just clear everything. As you all know, I like to start on the higher time frames, but today I'm just going to start on the H4 time frame, since I'm going to take my positions on the M30. If we are going to find a position on the H4, we can definitely see market structure is surely changing, since we are having lower lows, lower highs. We are seeing a lot of price trying to go down, but now we are seeing momentum is now shifting in direction. We're having a nice demand area around this zone. Nice higher low formation, previous high broken. We're looking to take price at least back to the previous high, back up here, and the next one we're back to here. So on GBP/CAD, here's where most people get stopped out. Why? Because you tend to enter either early or you enter wrong. Sometimes you might see this kind of analysis, sometimes you may not, but all in all, we are seeing price did exactly as we always look for, as it did. Just very simple setup. Break above the resistance area, nice retest, double bottom formation. As you can see, if you were trading on the short position or on the sell, you would have said this is a complex reversal, but then complex reversal looks like this. This is one mistake people make. Complex reversal looks like this, and then a drop. Now this one looks like this. Now a rise, a break above structure, a retest, and now we can see the continuation. So this is definitely not a complex reversal. For anyone who understands what a complex reversal is, this is a sure change of market direction in the H4 time frame. On the daily time frame, as we can see, our price action also is trying to say the same, since we are having a nice railroad track here, failed confirmation, but now this nice candle, bull candle for today, is kind of confirming this information. As you can see, at this price area, we are also having a very nice supply area where we might expect price to at least break above this so that we can continue buying. Before we see that break above this area, I'll just advise you, if you did not get in early, then this position has already left you. On the M30 time frame, you can clearly see such a nice reversal, nice push towards the upside. Now this is a complex reversal, since we are seeing price is tending to look like it's changing direction. New lower low created, and then we are seeing the break above structure. Same thing here. Now we're seeing fast low, lower low, lower high created, lower low, and then now we're seeing price is breaking above the structure. What we can expect, at least an exhaustion for that continuation, since this is a nice momentum push to the upside. at least one good exhaustion, at least a 50% or 38.2% exhaustion will surely be a good entry position in my view. As well as we can also expect price to continue pushing upwards on the H4 time frame. We might not get an exhaustion right now, since on the H4 time frame we are having quite a lot going on. We're seeing the push above this area would be a nice area to buy, so we might just expect a new H4 candle that will just come in and push price above structure and continue towards the upside. Okay, that's about GBP CAD. On EJ, I've not really traded a lot of yen pairs since the news last week, or the last 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, sorry. GBP AUD has been consolidating for the longest time, all the way since the last time we did analysis on this. We were expecting at least a rise, a hit above here, and then a drop. Now we're seeing price is tending to play in between this resistance and supply area, if I'm not wrong, in this blue line, and then this support level. So we are definitely not seeing any sort of change in GBP AUD. We cannot say for now for sure price is changing momentum or anything is happening. What we can expect is at least a retest, a continuation back to this level, take a sell from there until we get a break of these two levels, is when I can advise someone to get into a position. But till then, just hold your horses. In the D card, I don't really go through deep into those. Also got some great news for anyone who took the Bitcoin positions. As we can see, we already broke the 52 level, 52k level. We are looking at 60k. Finally, we are hitting a new high. We are waiting for the break above 64,000. Highest point reached was around 64,056, which is very close to our 64k level. After we see a break of Bitcoin above that, then definitely this week we might just get someone investing into the crypto industry, or a huge company investing into the crypto industry. As you all know, I had mentioned it earlier on the previous webinar. Now we are accepting our deposit and not deposit, sorry, but crypto exchange. Anyone looking to buy cryptocurrency, we do not have any limit. Maybe the bank limits are the ones that limit us. If you're using one card, then your limit is 900k. If you're using multiple cards for payment, then you don't really have that big of a limit, that small of a limit. For anyone looking to sell their crypto to us, we are buying. We also do not have a limit on that. So contact us. I forgot last time to put in the details where you can find us, but definitely I'm going to link the Telegram group in the next actual video. This is a webinar. In the next video, I'm going to link a Telegram group. I'm going to link an email address where you can just shoot us an email. We can just get into the transactions, and if you wish to visit us, we are located at Jacquard Towers, 10th floor. Okay, Bitcoin, I'm still seeing price still not having a nice exhaustion, so definitely after the break above 64,000 is when I can expect at least a super exhaustion, since you can see price pushed up, nice exhaustion. This even kind of looks like an Elliott wave. I don't know why I never saw this coming, because this is wave 2. Let me confirm this. Oh yes, this is an Elliott wave. Where is this Elliott wave? 0, 1, 2. So this is definitely going to be the longest wave. 4, and then 5. 5 is a small move. Sorry, let me just redo this. For anyone who knows what Elliott wave. What's wrong with my mouse? It's double clicking. Or am I the one double clicking? 0, 1, 2, 3. Wave 2, 3 is the longest wave. And then 4. And then 5. 5 is the smallest. So definitely we are expecting a stronger push towards the upside on wave 2, 3 on the daily time frame. So anyone who is still looking to enter into cryptocurrency, into BTC, we're still on the bullish run. Just wait for this continuation. Nice exhaustion on the H4. Definitely looking for that extra push towards the upside. Yeah, let's see how it plays out as we wait up on this. Maybe the last analysis I'm going to do. This was a bad position. I took this position yesterday. It wasn't a bad position actually, since actually what I did not think it through, because we can already see momentum push towards the downside is already exhausting, since we're seeing more consolidation after a small push to the downside, after a small momentum to shift to the downside. Yeah, so now we're seeing price is definitely changing direction after this strong push towards the upside. Nice exhaustion. Apparently I was already in the short position. I was following structure as it is, but now since we are seeing price has changed has changed direction, definitely we can just wait for another exhaustion, maybe back to here, and then I take my buys and then continue towards the upside. Remember, always trade according to the trend. Maybe look at gold. Okay, gold, I'm not really going to go deep into gold, since I'm waiting on it on a few areas. This is a nice demand area. Lonzi actually drew this up, and then we also had a buy limit at around this area, this next demand. If we see a break below this, then definitely we're going to wait for this up to here. So I do not want to tamper with this analysis, since I'm still having that buy limit, very low stop loss, or very small stop loss. Definitely good pair to keep an eye on. I do not even trade GJ, not even going to go through it. So thank you guys. Kindly just share the link, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, we're going to talk about them on Thursday. On Friday I'll not be available. I'll be somewhere on then we'll see each other next week. But on Thursday, leave your comments. I'm going to go through the comments on Thursday. On Thursday I'm going to answer all your questions, and then see you guys later. Okay, bye bye.